哦，要吹哦。你先咬旁边一点点，我可以弄啊。
So Sophia,
This is
Sophia's
Japanese
offer.
style fried chicken.
This is mine. Japanese, she's Native American. And she's Native American.
那你没有 Happy Meal 了哦，这个可以吃2个 Happy Meal 哦。
Can I eat 3 more and that, and then the rest of it is chicken?
Like during
And then I will Happy Meal.
she was like,
Okay.
do not interrupt the Japanese person. She's Native American.